Principal sir, teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. Today I am going to speak about most important topic and most delicious topic, the love. First of all, I will start my talk with a small story. As I know, this is not story, this is a poem written by Jalaluddin Rumi, but we can say that this is like a story. So listen me carefully. Once a lover went to meet his beloved. He knocked the door, and inside a voice asked, "Who is it?" The lover replied, "It's me, it is I." The door stayed closed. He thought that what happened? And then beloved said, "There is no place for two here." The lover went back to home, confused and hurt. Many days passed. He began to understand what is right now. And his ego was slowly melted. And then after some days, he went to her home again. And the inside the voice asked the same question, "Who is it?" At that time, the lover replied with soft tone that it is only you. And at that time, the door immediately opened. Here we can see that the lover has very much ego, and the love removed the ego from our heart. So Jalaluddin Rumi, a great Sufi poet, says that when the ego ends, love is produced in our heart. So love is the divine thing. Looking at today's situation, I must ask you all this question, that what is love in right now, right time, in current time? So I can say that love is not the attraction between man and women only, because love is natural feeling. Love is often described as strongest force in the world. It is not just a feeling, it is a way of living, it is a way of thinking, and it is a way to treating others. Love is not limited for romance, because love is a divine thing. Love in India, we just only understand that love is only for romance. Because we have this topic is out of our understanding. We just only understand that love is only romance, but love is not for limited for romance. Love means kindness, love means care to others, love means support, love means respect, and love means the real understanding of our heart. The great writer Leo Tolstoy said that where there is love, there is God. And also they said that everything is possible in love and war. Reference of his book, War and Peace. So love is very big understanding of our heart. We can say in today that how the love produced in our heart. So, as I told you all, love is the natural thing. It shrinks in our heart. We get all the feelings by our parents, our friends. Our friends' love teaches us joy and confidence. Our teacher loves us very much, and at that time we understand that teacher gives us the help. Teacher gives help to grow in our life. So this is the thing. Even nature shows love with sunshine, rain, and fresh air, and so on. Very much things we don't know about this topic. True love doesn't run away during difficulties. It becomes more stronger and more delicious time to time. In school, love means respecting our teachers, help to our classmates, and standing against bullying. Bullying means the thing virod, we say virod. Love spreads peace, inner peace. Here you say that you will think, how can I speak about love? I don't like love. Why? Love likes me. And when love likes us, at that time we understand the real meaning of love. And as Rabindranath Tagore said, beautifully said, that love is an endless mystery. Endless mystery. Love is endless mystery. Without love, the world becomes dark. And with love, even ordinary moments become extraordinary. This is the power of love. And if we understand that what is love in real sense, at that time we get everything that we think. Some says that love is the language of the soul, a language spoken without words. I think love is the highest form of wisdom, highest form of feelings. Love destroys the ego and reveals the true self, our true self. Because we know that two faces of man, good and bad. And if we understand the love, we will become good person in the world. Without love, we can't live, because love is the elixir of life. Love is not something we learn from books. Love is an experience that teaches us the truth of life. That what is truth of this life. Here I told you all that this is not only topic. This is the love. I say this is inner love, not other love. Because we know that many types of love in the world. But this is the inner peace, inner love. Knowledge may sharpen our mind only, but love is the thing, love awakens the soul. Where love exists, fear cannot survive, because love is powerful feeling. Love is not a normal feeling, simple feeling. Love is a very powerful. So, my dear friends, in the end, let us remember these sentences in our heart, in our mind, very patiently. Love is not just something we feel. Love is something we choose, something we create new, something we share to each other, to other person. We must learn how to love in this difficult situation and truest sense. And if we truly learn, the power of change the world will awaken within us. So thank you for you all to listen me carefully, and special thanks to Bhavesh Bhai sir to giving me this opportunity. So if we understand real meaning of love, we can do everything and everything. Thank you so much.